So what's next? Ano bang mga abangan namin sa ano?
Kung pwede lang maging sa'yo, ako sa'yo, sa'yo. Kung pwede lang maging sa'yo.
You have to play the game, and then
Ang tinis.
once you completed the game,
Malapit na.
you will.
Parang nagkakasipon na po. Parang
Wala yung explain na niyo.
Uy, pakinig ka.
I-explain mo nga, dear.
Okay.
Kailangan
Direct tayo kay Maga.
i-complete mo yung, this is your goal. You have to do this, but with limited moves. Once you finish the game, you will have
So hard.
coins. And then, the coins is the tool for you to achieve your dreams.
Okay.
Wow.
So paano mo siya? Kailangan mo pagdikit-dikit mo sila.
No, you have to, the goal is,
16.
just don't play it.
Ano yan? Mag-aayos ka ng